Hi guys, welcome to my new channel. This is a channel that I just want to have some fun with, and I'd like it to be about things I love and things I'm passionate about. And first and foremost, that's my family. So I'm kind of in a unique situation in that all my kids have their own channels and they all work together and they all live close by. So I'm super blessed. You guys might be familiar with my son's channel, Matthias, and his wife, Amanda Faye. And then my other son and son-in-law, they have a channel called Team Edge. And then there's my daughter, Sarah, and Brian. Last but not least, they have the Crazy Crew. So it's a lot of fun and a lot of fun YouTubing, and I thought, why not join the fun? So my idea for this channel is just to kind of catch up with all of them and just do some fun family vlogs and maybe some videos with Amanda Faye and Sarah on topics like healthy living and lifestyle, meal prep ideas, travel tips, home decor, home improvement projects, all the above. So if you guys have any ideas of your own, I'd love to hear about them. Just list them in the comments below, and please don't forget to press like and subscribe. Okay, thanks a lot. See you guys soon.